Dear students, welcome to my zoology class. I am Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of Standard 8, Chapter 14. Today's topic is ecosystem. There is a picture of ecosystem. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about pond ecosystem, food chain and food web, energy flow in the ecosystem, the role of ecosystem in maintaining balance of nature. Aquatic ecosystem, you know there are three types of aquatic ecosystem. Number 1, ecosystem of ponds. Number 2, ecosystem of rivers. Number 3, marine ecosystem. A brief description of a pond ecosystem. You know, pond ecosystem is the example of aquatic ecosystem. Previous class we have discussed about the ecosystem of Sundarbans. Today we have to discuss about pond ecosystem. A pond is an ecologically independent and self-regulating unit. Why it is called independent and self-regulating unit? Because a natural pond consists of each and every elements of a ecosystem. There is no need to supply any elements or food supplement from outside. That's why it is called, or that's why natural pond is called independent and self-regulating unit. There is a picture of pond ecosystem. Abiotic components, that means non-living things of a ecosystem. A, inorganic or physical components, water, dissolved oxygen, carbon dioxide, minerals, soil which is muddy, light, etc. is the inorganic components of a pond. B, organic components, dead and decomposed organic materials of living organism. Mind it, organic components is fixed for each and every ecosystem. Biotic components, that means living organisms. A, producers, small floating plants which is called phytoplankton, water lily, ecornia, algae, etc. B, consumers. Consumers, there are three types: primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. Primary consumers of pond: zooplankton, insect, small fish, mussels, snails, etc. Secondary consumer: medium size fishes, those live on primary consumers. Tertiary consumers: big fishes, those live on secondary consumer like shoal, boal, chital, stork, snake, etc. Decomposers also fixed for each and every ecosystem of our environment. It carries bacteria and fungi. Food chain. What is food chain? In your book there is a definition of food chain: the transfer of food energy from producers to herbivores, herbivores to carnivores, carnivores to decomposers in the ecosystem is called food chain. I am saying easily, the transfer of food from producer to decomposer is called food chain. I am saying again, the transfer of food from producer to decomposer is called food chain. Example of food chain: grass which is taken by insect, insect is taken by frog, frog is taken by snake, snake is taken by eagle. Food web. In your book there is a definition of food web: Naturally, in any ecosystem, more than one food chain remain attached to each other, and this complex food chain of more than one is called food web. I am saying easily. When more than one food chain attached one another is called food web. I am saying again, when more than one food chain attached one another is called food web. There is a picture of food web. This is plants or green plants, which is called producer. Butterfly take producer or plants, then butterfly taken by frog. Frog is taken by eagle. Sometimes frog is taken by snake, snake is taken by eagle. Caterpillar take their food from plant, which is taken by frog. Frog may taken by snake, snake taken by eagle, or frog directly taken by eagle. Bird take their food from plants or may take caterpillar, then bird taken by snake, snake taken by eagle, or bird directly taken by eagle, or bird taken by fox. On the other hand, squirrel take their food from plant, then it may taken by fox. That means here more than one food chains are there. Here more than food chains attached one another. That's why it is called food web. Energy flow in ecosystem. All organisms living on earth are dependent on solar energy. Green plants tap only 2% of the total energy reached on earth to produce energy. Through photosynthesis process, green plants convert solar energy to chemical energy. Solar energy, producer, herbivore, carnivore, decomposer. Follow here, solar energy taken by producer, and you know producer is only member who can produce their own food on the presence of solar energy. Then producer taken by herbivore, herbivore taken by carnivore. When producers, herbivores and carnivores dry, then decomposers take them and decomposes them, helps to mix them with environment. Besides that, producers, herbivores, carnivores and decomposer, when take their food or produce their energy, some energy used in respiration. That means producer, herbivore, carnivore, decomposers all losses some energy by respiration. Role of ecosystem in maintaining balance of nature. Ecosystem is a self-sufficient and self-regulating unit. One living organism can't get increased in number, nor can it become extinct easily. Natural balance of an ecosystem is maintained naturally. Example, number of tiger and deer of Sundarbans. Take it easy. Tiger and deer live in Sundarbans. If the tiger take their food from deer, if the number of tiger increase, then they will take more food from deer, that means they will kill more deer, the number of deer will decrease. When the number of tiger will increased, they will not get more amount of food or sufficient food, so they will suffer from food as well as they will start to fight each other. The number of tiger will decreased, then deer will get chance to increase their number, so number of deer will increased. When number of deer will increase, then again tiger will get more food and they will get the chance to increase their number. So this is the natural balance of ecosystem. Homework: what will happen if producers are absent in energy flow in ecosystem? Explain it.